Hello and welcome once again. And if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you this a really fun and easy Halloween craft. As you can see from my sketches, I've drawn many things and I'm gonna do them over the coming weeks, and let's see how many I make. So today I'm going to show you the making of a little ghost that you can see in the sketch. So I'm beginning with a pipe cleaner and just roughly getting an idea of how big I wanted to be. And I've bended the top of it. So that's like the pointy end of the ghost's head. So you can give it any shape you want and wrapping wool around it. As it's going to be a point, it can have as many curves as you want. And I'm just following my own sketch. Then I'm going to make the body with more wool, and I'm using corridor slivers. I'm going to wrap the wool around to make a thick and firm body of the ghost. And you can make it as fat as you want and as chubby or cute as you would like to. This pipe cleaner just gives it a nice firm foundation. So as you can see, I'm adding more wool and I'm using a multi-tool to make things quicker, and this is a very fun and easy project and beginners can really enjoy, because I really enjoyed making this ghost. I'm thinking of making more to just make a set of ghosts. So it has to be nice and firm, and before we move on, and I'm adding more wool and making it a bit pointy where the head is going to be. And the pipe cleaner just doesn't seem like, it shouldn't seem like sticking out all of a sudden. It has to be a gradual shape. So I'm adding more wool to the top. Now I'm making, just marking out where the eyes are going to be using a marker that can be visible. So I've tried different markers, and this is a watercolor marker, and just making the eyes and the mouth. Now I'm going around it with my needle, and just so I know where I have to put the black color in. So just felting down the sockets, you can say. And it has to be nice. As you can see, it's not firm still, so you have to spend time on it, but it's a really easy project and it looks really cute when it's done. Now for the hands, just rolling down some wool and felting around end of it, so that's going to be the rounded arms and hands. So you don't have to get into details, just do shapes, cylindrical shapes, and keep one end fluffy so you can attach it. So one end is firm, that's going to be the hand. So making another one that's similar. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, because I'm going to try and make more easy crafts. Seasonal crafts are fun to do, and the easier they are, the more you can make them. So I'm following my sketch, and as it has uh, folds, you can say, I'm adding more shape to the body, and so it's a cylindrical shape that I've loosely felted, and I'm attaching it to the side. And this is not the arm, it's just the shape of the ghost. So I'm attaching two on either side, just below where the arms are going to be attached, and a little flare to the shape, to the body of the ghost. So I'm adding more wool to the back and to the front, so it looks more like a cloud or a ghost, you can say. So this
Now
is
for
how
the
it's
eyes.
shaped. I'm going to cut a bit of them out with my scissor, just to make little holes, and just taking out a little bit of wool, and then I'm going to flatten it down with my needle. So cutting out the felted wool, it just gives a better shape. I'm cutting the mouth as well, so it's more defined after you've made a cut, like you do with the paws. So I'm just filling the holes with the black wool. I'm using a merino top. You can use any black wool you have. When carded will be good. So it has to be nice oval shapes, or you can make whatever shapes you want of the eyes. It's a creative project, so you can play around with it. And this is the line of the mouth. I'm filling with black wool. I'm giving a little bit of gray shade around the eyes. Just going to see how it looks. And I might have to go over it after I've given it the white color. I'm just experimenting with it. Now I'm going to cover the whole ghost with a white merino top. I think it's called Lightning, and I got it from the World of Wool. It's bright white. I'm just going around the eyes. And now the grey color on top. So I had to go over it again after I had added the white color. So just a little shade under the eyes to give it depth. Then I'm going to cover the rest of it with white. Around its tip as well. So the tip is a bit tricky to do, so you have to put it down on your mat and then go around it so you don't lose the shape and don't break a needle. So I'm covering the hands with white wool as well, and then I'm going to attach them. So our roast is all done, and as you can see, it's super cute and really fun to do. And I look forward to your creations. And I hope you enjoyed and do subscribe for more. And I'll try to make more fun and easy projects for beginners. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.